Yo, today I'm going to show you guys how to get a Dream League Soccer 2024 modded version with unlimited resources, no jailbreaker computer needed. So keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. It's super crazy, guys, and this fully works. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. I didn't have to jailbreak or anything like that. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super insane, bro. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get right into the video. So what you need to do is go to this site called ZooMods. This site has tons of mods for apps and games. So once you're on this site, guys, go to the search bar and type in Dream League Soccer 2024. So I'm just going to do that right here. As you can see, it comes up and then we just download it right there. So be sure to go and try it out. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's super cool, guys. Fully working. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, though. It's super cool. If you go to the App Store and type in Dream League Soccer, as you guys can see, it's super expensive. So I'm just going to type it in right here. So as you can see, here it is. And we go over to the in-app purchases. As you can see, wild, bro. So if you want to get everything for free, just go to ZooMods, it's going to be all good to go. So be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys. And it fully works. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I haven't had to jailbreak or anything like that, which is awesome. So definitely go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, it's super insane, guys. This is like updated and everything like that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's super cool, guys, as you can see. So be sure to go and try it out for yourself. This is super cool, updated and everything like that. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. This is super insane, guys, fully updated and everything like that. So try it out for yourself just so more people know about the method. But yeah, it's pretty wild, bro. It actually works. So try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, enjoy the content. And I'll see you guys in another video. This is super insane, guys, fully updated. So yeah, enjoy the video and subscribe.